indicated that we were more than willing, Honorable Speaker, to get back to the negotiating table. But we said from our side in the Kenya Kwanza coalition, we are only going to engage on the table of negotiations, but not in the streets. And we did implore on our colleagues over the weekend, and even as late as Monday night, to call off the demonstrations, and I congratulate and thank them for calling off the demonstrations, because that is the mark of leadership. We are all elected, and I want to say we are capable in this house. And without preempting debate, Honorable Speaker, I know there is also the talk of extra-parliamentary, inter-parliamentary, within parliament, bipartisan approach. I want to encourage all the members of a bipartisan team, ably led by the Honorable Tiende Amolo and the Honorable Gitonga Rugara, that we have the ability and the capacity to engage on all the matters that shall come before that committee and be able to resolve these issues without having to throw words at each other, without having to protest, without having to blackmail the country using violence and violent protests. Honorable Speaker, we can indeed engage here and be able to resolve all these issues. And I want to trust that the Honorable Murugara, our Chair Jailak, his colleague, co-chair, the Honorable Tiende Amolo, will now steer these discussions in the right direction to ensure that we never ever have to engage again in the streets. And in closing, Honorable Speaker, may I take this opportunity to ask the Interior Ministry and the Inspector General of Police if there is any member of Parliament whose security has been withdrawn, Honorable Speaker, for other reasons, they should consider reinstating that security. But I must re-emphasize, please let us not misuse our officers. If you want to go for demonstrations, if you want to go for other errands at night, allow your officer to go home to his family and take care of yourself and your other business at night. And even in the streets, take care of your business alone, not with armed police officers. With that, Honorable Speaker, I thank you.